Alrighty, let's get this glass clean, huh? Oh, we got a game tonight against bird watchers. So super excited to get out there, stop some pucks, and play some hockey. Oh yeah, there's that streak-free shine I've been looking for. It's the best. We don't have any nets. Well, this is interesting. Ah, there we go. It's so kind of them to put the pegs in for me. Alrighty. Let's get a couple shots for warm-ups, huh? I didn't know who to go for. So yeah, we got a game against bird watchers. It's been a while since I played these guys, so I have no idea if it's going to be a good game or a bad game. But we'll see. We're going to have fun either way. Here we go. Are you ready?
Yes.
Oh yeah. Kinda? Why just kinda?
A little tired.
A little tired, me too. Oh! Yeah, that's a good eye. Two? Oh my gosh. That's, oh my, they're all fired. All right, got that taken care of. So game's about to start, you know what we gotta do. Here we go, Cal. Here we go, Ricky. Shake and bake, baby. Stacy's mom, you look beautiful today. Have you lost weight? Pretty sure you have. You look great. Let's play some hockey. Ooh. I'd like to take a second and let you know that this video is brought to you by Lightning Rod Energy. 1 second. Hey, what's up for? Well, that's one way to wake you up. Oh yeah, I'm good. Oh yeah, I'm good. That's what the helmet's for. Yeah. See, it pops off by design so I don't get hurt. Yeah. Stop! Down low! There we go. Whew, my ears are ringing. Oh yeah! 1-0. Hold on! But yeah, before I was so rudely interrupted by the shot between my eyes, this video is brought to you by Lightning Rod Energy, the best pre-workout energy supplement on the market. I mean, I'm going to keep saying it till I'm blue in the face, but it's the best. It works. And I don't know what you guys are waiting on, but you need to try it. Use code Messy. Get yourself 5% off. Lightning Rod Energy, baby. I took it before today's game, and I'm feeling great. Yes! Good poke. Good clear. I'll take it. I'll take it. Good poke. Yes! Oh yeah. You got it. Hey, good poke check. Yeah, two! Whoa. That was a tad wide. Big save. Oh yeah. I don't know if that was my own defenseman, but I'm pretty sure that guy was like trying to interfere with me on purpose. Nice, nice! Oh! That was nasty. Wait on! Rush forward! Oh yeah, big save. Thank you, thank you. Thank you, thank you. Just barely went off my shoulder. Routine. Well, my ears are still ringing. Oh! Bro! He was offsides for like 3 feet. Come on. Yeah, dude. If you were staying at the line, you would saw it. Yeah, that's where you're supposed to be. 1-1, that was way off. Well, that was a slow shot. Good thing. Oh, yeah. Woo! Oh! Holy cow! I will take that all day. Whew. Oh, you're good, man. We lucked out. Whew. You don't got to be good to be lucky. Top! Front! Oh! Like I said, you don't got to be good to be lucky. Yes! There we go. Bad rebound, but defense was on it. Okay, they're definitely padding my stats. There's no way I've got 18 shots on goal, but hey, you know what? For as many times as they're short, I'll take it. It's you. I think they wanted me to pass that one. Come back! Oh, big save. Alrighty. Good here, boys. Big save at the buzzer there. Scores 1-1. Shots on goal so far. Says they got 19. I don't believe it, but I'll take it. And we have 8. We'll see you in the second. Oh. Dang it. Well, that sucked. 2-1. Oh. That's close. Dang it. 3-1. Not really much I could do about that. 3-1. Ah. 4-1. I'll do it for the second. They got 3 on me. Unfortunate. But, oh well. Score's 4-1. Shots on goal. They got 30. We got 17. All right, well. Sorry for all the zoomed in parts. But third period about to start. See if we can mount a comeback, huh? I'm back! Ah. Yeah. There's no way I was getting that. Ah. There you go.
Ball one. All of us is going to do something.
Well, 5-1. Yeah, hey. Whew. He's got a good shot. It's a big save. Jump low! Jump! Oh, he only shoots glove. Yeah, it's just he's got a really good shot, so like sometimes it goes in. Good work, boys. Oh, shot top. There we go. Big save. Didn't really like the rebound, but he didn't get a second shot off of it. We'll take it. Ah, 6-1. Yeah, it's pretty bad. It's pretty bad. Oh well. 6-1. Well, that'll do it. Final score 6-1. Shots on goal. They had 43, we had 28. Good game. Well, it's hard to play 9 versus 20, so. Or 8 versus 20. Oh, you're good, no worries. Oh. Well, we wish it would have turned out a little bit different, but I don't feel like I had a bad game. There was maybe 1 or 2 I probably should have had, but hey, it is what it is. We had a good time, and hey, we got to play the sport that we love, and that's all that matters. If you stuck with me this far, like the video, subscribe if you want to. Check the link in the description for Lightning Rod Energy. Use code Messick, get yourself 5% off. Link in the description for the merch store. Get yourself something nice. It really helps the channel out a lot. And link in the description for Goalie Monkey. Get yourself the best gear and at the best prices too. So yeah, if you stuck with me this far, appreciate it. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.